In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with Substack Chat. If you're building a community around your publication, Substack Chat is a great way to host real-time conversations with your readers right inside Substack. I'll walk you through getting your first chat live and making sure subscribers can participate. First, head to your Substack home. Log into your publication and open your main dashboard. This is where you manage posts, podcasts, and of course, chat. From here, look for chat in your navigation. Click chat to open the dedicated area where all your chat activity will live. Next, choose create chat. This begins the setup for your chat space. You'll see a simple confirmation screen. Click create to finalize it. Substack will spin up your chat area so you can start threads and keep everything organized. Once the chat is created, you'll be taken to the chat interface. Click start a new thread. Threads help you structure conversations by topic, event, or prompt, so readers know exactly what they're jumping into. In the composer, type your thread topic and your opening message. The original instruction says, type the trend, but what you want here is a clear thread title or theme, plus a short introduction to set the tone. Keep it specific and inviting, something like a question, a timely discussion point, or context for what you'd like feedback on. A concise opener helps readers understand the purpose of the thread at a glance. When your message looks good, click send. Your thread is now posted in your chat and ready for engagement. If you notice a typo right after sending, you can quickly edit your text, but aim to keep posts clean and focused to encourage participation. Now, let's make sure your community can actually join the conversation. Click the settings icon in the chat area. It's usually a small gear near the top of the page. In the settings menu, select chat to view chat-specific options. Here, turn on Enable Subscriber Chat. This activates chat access for your audience and ensures the right people can post and reply. Depending on your setup, you can decide whether all subscribers or just paid subscribers participate. But the key step is enabling subscriber chat so your thread is interactive rather than read-only. That's it. You've opened Substack Chat, created your chat space, started your first thread, and enabled subscriber participation. To keep momentum, post consistently, set clear topics, and be present in replies. This approach builds trust, encourages thoughtful discussion, and turns your publication into a lively community hub.